Nice serve. Good. Chance ball here for Vipers. Nice first ball by Kaban. He sets it open. Drop ball over. Lito was there. Another drop ball. Still good. There's a chance ball here for Vipers. Still good. Still good. Back there. Rivero. Drop ball say good. You have that support ball. And that's drop ball again. Drop ball by Kapit. Open. Drop ball the other one. Right, first ball. Open. Alright, nice serve. Nice first ball by Rivero. Ups. Nice first ball. He hatak sa open. Nice serve. Nice first ball by the open. He hatak. Chance here for Vipers. Nice serve. Kido. Chance again for Vipers. Nice first ball by Rivero. Nice. Serving jersey number 13. Nice first ball. Over receive. Nice. Chance ball here. He sets it open. Drop ball in the back. Free ball here for Vipers. Nice first ball. Gihantak sa 4. Nice first ball by Rivero. Gihantak sa open. Nice block. Free ball. Free ball. Aray. Still good. Nice cover by Lilo. Free ball for Vipers. Libero. Chance ball. Gihantak sa 2. Nice photo by Libero. Come on, Libero. Libero is there. Open for Lito. And that's it. Nice first ball by Libero. Good. No whistle. Good cover. That's out. Nice serve. Yellow. Good. Sets out. Nice serve by jersey number 2. Serve saves by jersey all. Nice serve. Over receive by Carnedo. Sets it open. Perlito again. Nice serve again by Malaga. Pagas. Good. Tatalon. Nice attack by jersey number 10. Dihasak sa open. Jersey number 1 was there. Open again. Drop ball. Number 11 was there. Drop ball. That's shot ball. Nice first ball by Rivero. Dihasak sa 4. Nice hit by Perlito. Nice nice first ball. Nice shot ball. Arero. Good. Nice first ball. There's a whistle. By Theodore 14. Nice. Teacher. Dihantak sa 4. Chance ball here. Nice first ball. Dihantak sa abang. Perlito. Nice hit by jersey number 10. Number 1 was there. Dihantak sa open. Pagas. Outside.
Change card. Warm up na second game mo. Next game nag-warm up na. Change card pa.
Chance ball for Hypersonic. Oops, there's a whistle. A touching. Service. Good. Gihatag sa open. Alugin, drop ball. Gihatag sa 4. Drop ball again. The libero is there. Gi-drop ball ni Kapit. Gihatag sa 4. Drop ball gihapon. Gibaslan. Gihatag sa open. Nice dig by Perlito. Alugin sa drop ball. Good. Good. Nice attack by Alugin. Nice serve by Katit. Katit. Nice first ball. Gihatag sa 4. Nice first ball by the libero. Alugin sa drop ball. That's it. Nice first ball by Muro. Oops. Nice serve. Pagas. Oy. There's a whistle. Nice serve. Nice serve. Hidong serving. Nice first ball. Nice serve. Nice hit. Nice photo. Touch ball. 4. Nice attack. Now serving Muro. 4 attack. Touch ball. 4. Nice serve. Back to attack. Aside. Nice serve. Nice serve. Chance ball. Ihatag sa open. Panyero. Chance ball. Eric was there. Gihatag. Good. Nice serve. Nice first ball by Eric. Power tip. Nice serve. Nice serve. Back to attack. Nice serve by Sapit. Fellas. Shoot! Good. That's outside. Nice serve. Serving again. Nice first ball. Open. Nice serve. Nice cover. Drop ball by Katit. Open attack. Nice serve. Nice drop ball. Nice serve. Good coverage there. Alugin drop ball. Nice grab. Nice serve by Katit. First ball by the libero. Drop ball. Good. Nice attack by Nice. Nice serve. Nice first ball by Perlito. Bilbon naman sa open. Pagas was there. Free ball. Good. Perlito. Good. A chance ball here for Hypersonic. Perlito sa first ball. Gihatag sa toss. High ball from Kidong. Gidrop ball sa likod. Perlito first ball. So yun gihapon. Pagas. Setter was there. Belbon sa set. Alugin. Block by Perlito. Nice serve. Belbon Good. Oops. Good receive. Logan drop ball. The Palace. Nice dig by the setter. Kidon. Nice serve. 4. Kidon serving. Alright. Outside. Nice serve. Good. Nice serve. Nice first ball by Eric. Okay, so you have drop ball by Pagas. Drop ball by Tariano. First ball, the Palace. Pagas. That's it! Congratulations to Walter Sonnen! That's it!
Tapos na. First game sa boys. Tapos na. Hypersonic.